Good morning, viewers. You're welcome to Procyon Television and Radio Kaduna. My name is Uche Ijegalu. With me on the studio, we have Chief Francis Uchenna Ani. He is the President General, Igbo Community, Kaduna State Chapter. So you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
He came here with a lot of message, but we were informed that there is a particular thing that is disturbing the Igbo community, especially the Chief Shepherd, who is the President General. President is here to inform the Igbo community in Kaduna. Please, sir, I think you tell them your name, because the better you tell them your name yourself, then you tell them what brought you here today.
Good morning, Ndi Igbo, Kaduna. Good morning, Kaduna State. My name is Chief Francis Uchenna Ani, the President General Igbo Community, Kaduna. Yes, the thing that brought me in this studio today is to tell the whole Kaduna State and the entire world the truth about Igbo community with their peace movement. I came up as the President General of Igbo Kaduna, Igbos in Kaduna. And the first step I took was to set a reconciliation committee that will reconcile all the aggrieved Igbos, all the factions, and bring us together as an entity. And I had 11-man committee from my side, ICWA, while Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, heavily led by Chief Barrister A.C. Amechi, and Ogbuefi Awagu, who is the Chief Chuku Kingdom. And I invited them to bring their own people, and they brought 7-man committee, joining our own, making it 18, and they went into action. We are on that peace movement up to now, before Chief Awagu had a challenge that took him out of the country. On coming back, instead of him to ask us how far we've gone with the reconciliation, he went back to the village, was there piloting the same Kaduna, trying to enforce another leader or Ezigbo per se to Igbo community or to Ndi Igbo in Kaduna, calling him Ezigbo too. Whereas the Ezigbo that we know is Royal Highness Igwe Sibanus Aneke is still alive. And such a thing cannot happen in Igbo land. That an Igwe is alive, you want to coronate another Igwe. One Chief Morrison Ibameze, that he will be the Igwe. And we say no. And the worst part of it is that they wrote my name in their invitation as the President General of Ndi Igbo, that I am away, whereas they did not intimate me. They also wrote the name of Igwe there as His Royal Highness, that he is. When I consulted Igwe told me he wasn't even aware. And when they brought the invitation to me 4 days ago, I asked the same question to Pastor S.C. Amechi, who was the former PG. He couldn't answer that question up till now. And are preparing to coronate another Eze on Friday this week. We say no. How can we have 2 Ezes in one kingdom? It doesn't work like that. And we are in peace process. So why I'm in this studio now is to lay emphasis on the bad omen that is about to happen. As Igbo community, we've come together and we've decided that we will not allow it. We will not allow such a thing to kill the custom and norms of Ndi Igbo here in Kaduna and cause chaos. And that was why we decided that we will come and make it loud to everybody that we are rejecting that. We are against it. We are for unity. We don't want anything that will cause chaos in Kaduna. The youths are angry that if such a thing happens, there will be uprising. And we say no, it is better we cage it now that it's still at the early stage. So I want to advise all the Igbos in Kaduna, from town union up to local government, to their various states, to be aware that nobody must attend that function. We must not allow breakdown of law and order in the midst of Ndi Igbo in Kaduna. We have been coexisting together here without problem. Nobody should bring chaos to us this time around. I want to urge you to please adhere to this instruction that we must not allow that, and we're on top of the matter because it must not happen. If it happens, there will be a great disaster in Kaduna State. We also want to let the state government know that the Igbo communities, we are one. Nobody must divide us. And the state apparatus must not be used at any cost to cause disunity to Ndigbo in Kaduna in any form. We have also approached His Royal Highness, the Sir Agbon II, and we've told him, we've given him a letter yesterday, telling him because they intend to use his palace for that coronation. And this is Igbo affair. Why must you carry our custom and norms to such a place? So we want them to desist from that so that it will not bring down law and order in Kaduna. Thank you as you have heard. May God Almighty bless Igbos in Kaduna, Kaduna State, and Nigeria in general. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. As a matter of fact, you've heard what he said. All the Igbos, Kaduna, and the world at large, you heard what he said. This is a call for all of us to be at peace, because any divided community cannot stand. Any country that is divided cannot stand. You can see what's happening around the world. Please, I will beg that we should adhere to the information you just passed, which I think is vital. You're welcome, sir, once again.
Thank you.
We will look forward to seeing you again in Procyon Television and Radio. You're always available for any form of program, be it advert, be it anything you want to do. We are always available for that. Thank you once again. Like I said before, my name is Uche Ijegalu from Procyon Television and Radio. You can reach us at 0809464626, or you meet us at 08036439671. See you next time, and God bless you all.